Today I will be unboxing some Cactus Jack Nike Dunks. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic Evil Twin items like today, Evil Twin, I DIY, compare bags, do a review on bags, plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. Oh my goodness. So I was gifted this item and I am gonna show you how this looks, because I have no idea if it's really nice or not. But if it's nice, then please DM me on my Instagram, okay? And more information on this, because I believe it is an Evil Twin. So let's get started. Here is the box. It is beautiful. I chose these shoes because I figured, hey, they look really cute. Oh, they gave me some Christmas stuff. And it's kind of, oh man, it's a bit too late for that, but that's cute. Thank you very much. Ooh, I like this. It has this bandana print. Reminds me of cholos and cholas. All you cholitas out there and your cholos. Anyway, here they are. Oh my god. They are looking nice. Cactus Jack. Basically Travis Scott's record label. For those of you who don't know, well, obviously they do a collab, but these are the Nike Dunks. I am not a sneakerhead, okay? So for all you sneakerheads, let me know if this looks legit. I just wear Nikes because they've been stylish since I was a kid. And I've had my pair of Jordans in my day, and I still have some now, but I'm not like a true sneakerhead. Here's more laces. I do love these. I do love this pink swoosh. And here's the box, the toe box. There's the toe box. Go. There's inside. Oh, cool. It has Cactus Jack inside. Again, it's a record label for those of you who do not know. Here's the other pair. And there is, oh, it's from stock. I don't know what this is. Cool. Whatever this is. Stock X. Stock X. Oh, it's real. Is it? I don't know. Anyway, it came with that stuff. Really good. Again, folks, I am not a sneakerhead. So this is just like a collab showing their items off. If you want more information, please DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. I do love this swoosh. I don't know, this is pretty cool. Unfortunately, it has like a little stain there, but it's fine. It's very minor. And I got a size 7. Yeah, it's a men's 5.5, women's size 7. Actually, Nike's run true to size. Sorry, for me, it runs true to size. And so I think we should just try them on. I think they look really, really good. Like, look at that. I'm loving this. All the details on it. I don't know what this is. If you do know what that means, let me know. Comment below. I love the bandana. And this is like, for me, a Dior moment, the flannel, but I know it's a cholo thing. Come on, folks. We know it's all about the cholo style. Anyway, this is pretty hot. I love it. So let's try them on. So here's a better view of how I styled it. I'm just wearing this like cute H&M jumper, and it matches really well with them. And my AFRM, an LA company, to your top. It's actually a tiger top. See eyes coming out. But it's really comfortable. I love these shoes. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day. And it is the new year, so 2021 should be awesome. Cross my fingers. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and talk to you soon. Bye.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high